Apple's special event is almost on, and will start September 12 at 10 a.m. PDT. In this video I want to show you the new predicted iPhones. There are some infos leaked on Apple's website already. The iPhone X will be replaced with the iPhone XS. The smartphone will be 5.8 inches big. It will be available with 64, 256 and 512 GB storage. There will also be a new and bigger version available that will be called iPhone XS Max, which will be 6.5 inches big, and also available with the same storage sizes. Both iPhones will have a sharp OLED display. And there will be a cheaper iPhone X version which will be called iPhone XR and will have a size in between with 6.1 inches. The iPhone XR will only get an LCD display. The iPhone XR will be available in 6 colors. There will be black, white, red, yellow, coral, and blue. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.